last class we have discussed here, if you have given any linear equation which is in the form of y is equal to some m into x, that line will always passes through the origin. That we have discussed in the previous session of IIT. Now here let us see here page number 11. Here you have given here two equations. Up to now we have discussed here, this is nothing but the simultaneous linear equations. If you have given here two linear equations which consisting of two variables, you can solve those the value of x and y by using the four methods, which is the elimination method, substitution method, addition and subtraction of the methods, and the graphical methods. The first three methods we already discussed. Now we are going to discuss about the graphical method. For that reason we have discussed all these things. So if you have given one equation, how to represent that equation on a coordinate plane, and so what we can state, you will get a straight line, or if the x coordinates are same, what you will get, and if the y coordinates are same, what you are getting. All these things we have discussed, because here for that reason here what we need to do here, we need to find the solution of the linear equations. If you have given two linear equations and two variables, you need to find by using the four methods. We have already discussed the first three. Now we are going to learn the last method, which is the graphical method. So here if you see here page number 11, they have given here two equations, which is x plus y is equal to 3 and y minus x is equal to 1. These are the equations they have given. You know that if you have given these two equations, you can solve these equations by the elimination method or the substitution method, or by the addition and the subtraction of the methods. These three methods you know. You can solve by taking any of the methods. Suppose if you want to find by using the graphical method, how do you solve this one? So let us see that one here. Now let us consider here the first equation. So what is the first equation here? Which is x plus y is equal to 3. So here if you want to represent, if you want to draw this one on a coordinate plane, you need to know what are the values of x and what are the values of the y. So for that reason we draw here one table which indicates here x and y. Consider here some positive values and some negative values and 0. So I am taking here minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. By your choice you can take. I am taking the smaller values so that I can represent easily on a graph. So here now you need to find the value of the y. And here if you want to find the value of the y, here this equation you need to consider. What is the equation they have given here? X plus y is equal to 3. Right? Here what is the x value here, which is minus 2. We have chosen here the x value as minus 2. If x is equal to minus 2, what is the value of y we need to find? So let us substitute here x is equal to minus 2. So writing here minus 2 plus y is equal to 3. Since we need to find the value of y, take this minus 2 to the side, it will become plus 2. So you will get here y is equal to 3 plus 2, which gives you here 5. So write it here 5. So like that, consider here x is equal to minus 1. If you keep it here minus 1, so what will happen? You will get here minus 1. So in place of x we are keeping here minus 1. If you take here this minus 1 to this side, it will become plus 1. You will get here which is value as 4. Right? Now let us put here the x value as 0. If you are keeping the x value as 0, what you will get here? Let us substitute that one. So here in place of x substitute here 0. 0 plus y is equal to 3. So you are getting the y value as 3. 0 plus y is nothing but y. So you will get here 3. Now if x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? You need to find. So you have to substitute in place of x 1. So substitute here 1 in place of x. 1 plus y is equal to 3. If you take this plus 1 to that side, it will become minus 1. So that you will get y is equal to 3 minus 1, which gives you here 2. Right? Now, last, in place of x, substitute here 2. So what you will get here? 2 plus y is equal to 3. Similarly, if you take plus 2 to the right hand side, it will become minus 2. You will get 3 minus 2, which is 1. Now you got the x values and you know the y values. Now you can plot it on a graph so that you will get the straight line. Now see here the next equation. So here if you see the next equation, what is the equation they have given? Y minus x is equal to 1. So this is the equation they have given. Now for this equation also you need to draw the table. So let us draw here one table. Similarly here, consider some values of x. Let us consider the value of x as minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now substitute in place of x these values and find the value of the y. So what is the equation we know here? Y minus x is equal to 1. Now if x is equal to minus 2, what is the value of y? You need to find. So here in place of x substitute here minus 2. What you will get? Y minus of minus 2 is equal to 1. Right? So in place of x we are writing here minus 2. What you will get here? Y plus 2 is equal to 1. Right? Minus into minus, which is nothing but plus. So here what is the value of y? If you take this plus 2 to this side, it will become minus 2. You will get here the y value as minus 1. So here you are getting the y value as minus 1. Similarly here substitute in place of x here minus 1. Now you need to check here if the x value is minus 1, what is the value of y? So here y minus of minus 1 is equal to 1. So in place of x I have written here minus 1. So what you are getting here? Y minus into minus is plus 1 is equal to 1. If you take this plus 1 to this side, it will become minus 1 and y minus 1, which gives you here 0. So this value will become 0. Now see here, if x is equal to 0. So in place of x, substitute here 0. So what you will get here? Y minus 0 is equal to 1. Right? So in place of x, I have written here 0. So that what you are getting here, y is equal to, if you take minus 0 to that side, it will become plus 0. Or you know that y minus 0 is nothing but y. So here y is equal to 1. So you are getting the y value as 1. Now similarly here, substitute in place of x 1. So here the next one, if in place of x if you substitute 1, what you will get here? Minus 1, if you take to the right hand side, it will become plus 1. So that you will get here y is equal to 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 2. So here write it here 2. Now similarly in place of x here substitute 2. So let us see here what you will get here. So you will get here y minus 2 is equal to 1. So that y is equal to, if you take minus 2 to that side, it will become plus 2. You will get 1 plus 2, which is nothing but 3. So if x is equal to 2, what is the value of y? Which is 3. Now here they have given two equations. You need to find the solution of this equation. That means you need to find the value of x and value of the y by using the graphical method. So for that reason, we have took some values of y and we have found the value of y. And similarly, we have considered one more equation, this one, and here we have took some values of x. Based on the values of x, we have found the value of the y. Now we need to plot this table and this table on the coordinate plane. For that reason, here you need to draw the x-axis and you need to draw the y-axis. You know that here the but 0, which is the origin. And here right side, here mark the points, positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. And to the left side you will have the negative numbers, so mark it here, -1, -2, -3, like that. Now here above you will get a positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and here below the negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, and -1. This is y-axis and this is the x-axis. Now let us plot these points on a coordinate plane. So here, what is the x value here? -2. If x is -2, what is the value of y? 5. So you need to plot it here -2, 5. So let us see here where is -2. This is -2, and where is 5 on the y-axis? This is 5. So let us take here. This is the point, which is -2, 5. Now let us see here -1, 4. Where is -1 on the x-axis? This is -1, and where is 4 on the y-axis? This is 4. So again take the intersection point. This is -1 and this is 4. Right? Now see here 0, 3. 0 and 3. Where is 0 here? On the x-axis it is 0, and where is 3? This one. So this will be the point 0, 3. Now let's see the next one, 1, 2. 1 is on the x-axis, this is 1, and 2 on the y-axis, this is 2. So the intersection point will get here. Right? Now see the last one, which is 2, 1. 2 on the x-axis, 1 on the y-axis. This is 2 and this is 1. This is 2, 1. Now let us join this one so that we will get a straight line. So join line 1. So you are getting a straight line like this. Now this is what this is what x plus y is equal to 3. So write it here. This line is nothing but x plus y is equal to 3. Now let us draw y minus x is equal to 1 on this graph. So here now let us see the coordinate points here, -2, -1. So check here -2 on the x-axis and -1 on the y-axis and plot a point on this coordinate plane. So -2, 1. Where is -2? This is -2, and where is -1? This is -1. So here you will get it here the point -2, -1. And after that -1, 0. -1, 0 is nothing but this is -1 and this is 0. So here this is the point we need to consider. And after that 0, 1. 0 on the x-axis, 1 on the y-axis. So here 0 and 1. This is the intersection point. Now let us take here 1, 2. 1 on the x-axis, 2 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis. 1 and 2. This is the point. Now see the next one, 2, 3. 2 on the x-axis, 3 on the y-axis. This is 2 and this is 3. You will get the intersection points somewhere here. So let us join all these points. So first point, second, third, so you can observe that this is the line we have drawn for the equation which is nothing but y minus x is equal to 1. Now here if you want to find the solution of x and y in the graph, you have to find what is the intersection point. This is the line for x plus y is equal to 3, and this is the line we have drawn for y minus x is equal to 1. And this line are intersecting at one point. You can observe that it is intersecting at this point. What is that point? You need to identify on a graph. That will be 1 and what is the y point here which is 2. So clearly you can identify here 1 comma 2 is the solution of these equations. So here if you want to find the solution by using the graphical method, first you need to take the given equation. For choosing some values of x, you need to find the value of y, and similarly for this equation, for choosing some values of x, you need to find the value of the y. And after that, you need to plot it in a graph such that you will get two straight lines for these two equations, and these two straight lines will intersect at one point. That point will be the solution of these two equations. So here, what is this point? Which is nothing but if you here put a dot, it will intersect at point 1. So here the value of x is 1. And again if you draw the dot here, you can observe that it will be the point 2. So 1 comma 2 is the solution of this equation. This is nothing but the graphical method to solve the linear equation. For this you need to write the scale. So how to write the scale here? On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, because here we have to clear the 1 and here also 1. So on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So if you want to check whether the solution is correct or not, you can go for the cancellation method. From that method, you can clearly identify here. Let us consider here what is the equation which is x plus y is equal to 3 and the other equation which is minus x plus y is equal to 1. So you can write it here minus x plus y is equal to 1. Y minus x or minus x plus y both are same. So here you can observe that these two will get cancelled, so that you are getting here y plus y which is 2y is equal to 3 plus 1 which is 4. So that you are getting the y value as 4 by 2, which is nothing but here you are getting the y value as 2. Substitute this y value in any of this equation. I am taking here the equation 1. You know that x plus y is equal to 3. If you are substituting in place of y2, what you are getting here? X plus 2 is equal to 1. So that you will get here x is equal to 1. So what is the solution of x and y? Which is nothing but 1 comma 2. So this is the normal method. By using the cancellation method, we have found the values of the x and y. Suppose if they ask to find the solution of the given simultaneous